How to download SQLite browser. Open your browser, search for DB browser for SQLite. Click on this one and this is it. Okay, then go down. Just go to the download. Okay, or the link that I will be putting in the description, and install it from here. If it is easier to install it with a standard installer, okay, and you can choose 32-bit or 64-bit, and you can install it on Linux, and you can install it from something called Snapstar. I will be installing it this version. Just click on it and you can see that it is now installing it. So I've already installed it and done it. There's some setups you will do. So you will need to open the download or the place you saved it in and go to the DB browser. This one. It will give you this welcoming. You will click on next and delete this step because I already have it, and just follow the following steps. Okay, then just now search for here db browse or db and it should open, and this is the db browse, and you can create a new database by clicking this button, and this is it. So you can just use this, and this is how you can install SQLite SQLite browser.